Welcome to BMB Rhinetrade, your trusted partner for German auto repairs in Santa Ana. With over 25 years of experience, they specialize in servicing BMW, Mercedes, Audi, and Porsche vehicles, ensuring top-notch quality and unbeatable prices. Why pay more at the dealer? At BMB Rhinetrade, they offer comprehensive repair solutions at 20 to 50% below dealer pricing. Bring your dealer estimates and they'll beat them, guaranteeing exceptional service and significant savings for your German car. Join the BMB German Auto Care Club membership and save at least $990 annually. For just $29.95 a month, enjoy oil changes, tire rotations, and exclusive discounts on repairs, ensuring your car runs smoothly all year round. Experience peace of mind with advanced diagnostic services and expert technicians. They use the latest equipment to identify issues accurately, providing swift and reliable repairs to get you back on the road with confidence. Located in Santa Ana, BMB Rhinetrade is your go-to destination for all German car needs. Book an appointment today and experience the difference in quality and service. Trust them to keep your vehicle in top condition. This listing is brought to you by our Santa Ana. We help connect you with real people, real services, and real neighbors.